Give me that look. It happened to me twice already.
Two broke girls at its new time. CBS Monday, September 24th.
We begin with breaking news at 11. A high-speed pursuit has just come to an end in Rancho Cucamonga with the driver jumping off a transition road on the 10 freeway.
Stu Mundell is live overhead in Sky 2. Stu, what's going on?
Well, it's a grisly end here to this pursuit. Now, this was a domestic violence pursuit that came out of the Rialto area. Now, officers were trying to stop this vehicle, and he had been reaching some incredibly high speeds. But right now, sadly for that driver, he jumped out of his vehicle here on the transition road. This is actually the transition road to the northbound 15 from the eastbound 10. The car was actually still going as he jumped out of that vehicle, and he fell to the roadway below. Now, we understand that driver is deceased. They're going to be bringing the fire department out here shortly. Again, right there is where this guy jumped out of the vehicle, and then the car itself continued on for a little bit. It has heavy damage to the front of it. It came to a stop just for a little bit. Right there, you can see that car is damaged. But again, officers from the CHP are out here on the 15 freeway. This is the transition actually to the northbound 15 freeway. They're going to be shutting down a lot of these transition roads while the investigation to this termination of pursuit begins. Live at Sky 2 over Rancho Cucamonga, I'm Stu Mundell. Back to you in the studio.
All right, Stu, and a tragic ending to that story. Our other top story tonight, a heat